let's cook ubwabwa na nyama ya kuku. So I started by boiling my meat. This is my ingredient I will be using on this, and I started by fried my chicken, as you can see, so it will be easy for me to cook. After that, I will wait until my fried chicken ready, and then I'll go with my cooking onion. Then I'll put my blended tomato mixture. I'll go with Royco, and then I'll start by putting my meat into my soup, and then I will put my nazi, and then after my nazi is red, and then my sotojo is ready to eat. As you can see, it's very delicious. It's very delicious. Karibuni. This is wali and nyama ya kuku, as you can see, is ready to serve, and you can eat with anything else. Welcome guys. This is the best you can ever have in your life.